Hello, welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1948 Jeep Willys MB. Just an absolute stunning restoration here. Just a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Fully restored. Obviously you can see the green paint, the tan seats, cloth seats. Just beautiful vehicle here. Black wheels, again, just fully restored. Before we get too deep into this 48 Jeep Willys, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University on 301 on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars, and then the other 20% will be European, luxury, and or exotic vehicles. But again, 80% of what we have in inventory are domestic classic vehicles. If you're not in Sarasota, Florida, and you're interested in this 48 Jeep Willys or any of the other vehicles you may see on the video or our website, just give us a call at 941-355-1955. If I go too fast through the video, or you'd like to see a different angle or one of the cars that we're not reviewing today, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have pictures of all the vehicles. This particular Jeep, we have it on the lift. We got pictures of the bottom, all around it. Just an absolute stunning restoration on this Willys. Kept to the original design and original production of the vehicle. Just an absolute stunning example. Go ahead and make sure the battery is connected here. As you can see, it is a cold start as we're touching everything. Engine compartment, as you can see, is absolutely stunning, as well as the rest of the vehicle. The bottom is just as nice as the top. Just very, very well done restoration. Go ahead and get in it. Let you listen to this 1948 Jeep Willys. Grab the keys here. Make sure I have the right one. Make sure we are in neutral. And we'll get the starter on the floor. As you hear, it starts right up. Let you go back and see the exhaust and hear it. Again, no smoke, no water or moisture coming out. Just a beautiful 1948 Willys. 4-cylinder, 3-speed manual, 325 miles since restoration. Just an absolute stunning vehicle here. Let you listen to the engine. Again, purrs very nicely. No issues. You can see everything is practically brand new on this restoration. Just a no excuse vehicle here. If you are looking for a older 48 Willys, You will not find a nicer one. You may find one just as nice, but certainly not nicer, as this was done very well in its restoration. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. As always, appreciate you tuning in, and thank you very much.